Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Zapier integrations for LinkedIn lead flow step by step clearly. To get started with installing Zapier integrations for LinkedIn lead flow, first, open your web browser and navigate to Zapier's website. Log into your Zapier account or create a new account if you don't have one. Once you're logged in, click on the Make a Zap button located at the top right corner of the dashboard. In the Trigger app search bar, type LinkedIn Lead Gen Forms and select it from the drop-down menu. Choose a trigger event, such as New Lead, and click on the Continue button. You will be prompted to connect your LinkedIn account. Click on Sign in to LinkedIn and follow the on-screen instructions to authorize Zapier to access your LinkedIn account. After successfully connecting to LinkedIn, select your LinkedIn account from the drop-down and click Continue. Now, choose the specific lead gen form. Click Continue once you've made your selection. To test your trigger, click on Test Trigger. This will pull in a recent lead to verify that the connection works. If the test is successful, click Continue to proceed. Next, you will select the Action app where you want to send your LinkedIn leads. In the Action app search bar, type the name of the application you want to integrate with, such as Google Sheets or MailChimp. Select the desired application from the results. Choose the specific action event that corresponds with your workflow, and click Continue. Now, connect your selected Action app account by following the prompts. Once connected, you'll need to set up the action by mapping the fields from LinkedIn to the fields in your chosen app. For example, if you're using Google Sheets, map the lead's name, email, and any other relevant information. After mapping the fields, click Continue to review your setup. Zapier will provide an option to test your action. Click on Test and Continue to ensure the data flows properly to your selected Action app. Once the test is successful, click Turn on Zap to activate your integration. Your Zap is now set up, and LinkedIn leads will automatically flow into your chosen application. Congratulations on successfully installing your Zapier integration for LinkedIn lead flow. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.